Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got OPI, Be Unapologetic, and BM-21 Crackle, TU-017, and Maniology Straight Up Black. Here we go. I've got on my nails this reinforcement rubber-based gel on my nails, and then I top coated it with just some Born Pretty top coat. And on this manicure I'm going to experiment. I'm going to file off and make the surface just kind of dull. I'm not like trying to file off everything. I just want to give it kind of like a rough base for these polishes to attach to, or the nails, whatever, you know what I'm saying, the nails, because I'm using something new today. I'll be using the Painted Desert short square tips, and I've got my sticky base out. I am going to apply these to the nails. Yes, so I'm trying some new nail tabs today, and we'll get to that later on. And then over that sticky base, I'm going in with the Maniology's Milky Base Coat. It's the it's kind of a new, it's like a foundational base coat, and I just want to give this something, you know, to let my base color kind of pop off of. Here is OPI, Be Unapologetic. It's kind of sheer, so that's why I did a foundational base coat underneath. Here we go. Ooh, so pretty. Beautiful yellow with some shimmer in it. I really love this one. I had to get it because Carolina, I think it was Carolina, was talking about it, and I was like, ooh, gotta have it. Gonna do a couple of coats of that on the nails. And you see I'm using really short nails because I actually wore this on me with my new little glue tabs. I'm sorry about that. I hope y'all can hear Cotton barking in the background. He's barking because there's a family with their little kids riding their bikes going past the house. Here is BM, and this is an Old Bundle Monster Crackle Polish. It was number 21. This is way old. I bought the whole set of their crackles. And here we go. We're just going to put a thin coat of that on all of these. I'm trying to blow on it so it can crackle up on camera so you can see it breaking up. And this one I thought was like really red, but it's kind of looking like a maybe pinker than I wanted it to, but we're going to roll with it because I ain't starting over. I just ain't. Alright, so I'm doing that to all of the nails. And once it's dried and done crackling, I'm going in with a quick dry top coat. And today it's I&M out the door. And this looks really cute just like this. But we're going to stamp on it with this TU plate here. TU-017. Going to clean it with some acetone and some alcohol there. And I'm going to use these two images right here. Got my little cube stamper and Maniology scraper and Straight Up Black for Maniology. So I'm just going to stamp these onto all of the nails. Kind of mix and match, you know. They to me they went really well together, so I was really excited to, you know, just roll with it. Kind of almost like flames over it or something. I don't know. That's kind of where my head was at. But like I was saying earlier, I was trying out these new gel tabs, and so on the left hand that I'm doing today, well, I don't really know where they're going to, I think they end up on my right hand. But anyway, on one hand, I filed the stuff off for the glue tabs, and on the other hand, I didn't. I'm going to recommend that if you're using like a rubber-based gel or something underneath it, don't worry with filing it off. Just stick them glue tabs on. Now, I wore this manicure and the other one that I did with these little glue tabs for 4 days. And I could have worn it for longer than that. Way longer, I'm sure. Because these glue tabs didn't budge. The big thing I loved mostly about these is that there's different sizes. And you know how most glue tabs, you've got a big gap on the sides or at the back or whatever. These, you can fit them to your nail. They're so cool. So here we go with some smudge-free top coat over the top of everything. And once that's dry, we're going to go in with another top coat. Trying to make sure I don't have any flyaways to jump up in everything with me. So I will have the information about these new glue tabs that I'm bragging about down in the description box. Here we go with our Poshe top coat. Gonna finish this one off. And oh, I love it. It's just so much fun. But just spoiler alert, I am way digging these. For like a manicure I really want to wear for any length of time, more than like going out to dinner or to one thing or whatever. These new ones are the bomb diggity, and I have a feeling I'm gonna have to invest in more because I just love them that much. So here we go. And let me kind of remember who I got these ideas from, or who I saw using these. I think it was Marla Kris. Marla Kris is who I saw using these. I was watching one of her videos and she was using them, and I was like, ooh. So here we go. We're actually using those. And like I said, I'll have info down. Plus, these aren't like perforated to where they break apart and you end up tearing them. The whole thing comes off. I love it. All right. And let me tell you, when I pushed this down, I felt it sticking good. It was like, wow, that is excellent. You guys know it's got to be something for me to get excited about it. I mean, really. And I love all the different sizes. I mean, you know, totally love it. Love these. Look, and it's going from side to side, sidewall to sidewall, all up to the cuticle. And since my nails are so short on some of these, I actually end up trimming a little bit off because I don't want to have any like glob of glue sticking out underneath there, you know, collecting dust and junk. So I do trim them with my little scissors here in just a little bit. Here we go. I think I'm getting the scissors. Yes, I am. I'm using my little curvy scissors just to trim off the excess because my nails are super short right now. And, oof. And what I did to take these off, I might need to make a video on it, I'm not sure. I just soaked my hands in a little bit of warm water with some dish soap and olive oil in it, probably for about 10 minutes or so, and then they just popped off. But they popped off easier on this hand that I didn't buff with the nail file over my rubber-based gel and top coat. I just went straight in over these with the glue tabs, and I just think they came off better. You know, they both came off very easy off of both. But what I'm saying is, like, when I went to get the sticker itself, the glue tab off of my nail, it came off easier on these other ones that I used. Totally sold. Like I said, girl gonna get out there and buy her some more because she loves them. So thank you, Marla Kris, for sharing that with us. I'll try to remember to have a link to her channel down below, too. You might want to go check out her. She's got some very, very good videos over there on her channel. And I'm just using Woody. Hi, Woody. How you doing? To smooth these down. I love them. I'm so excited to share this with you because I've been knowing this for a minute, you know. And I'm very, very excited about it. I like finding really good products out there. Here we go. Oh, get it, girl. And I love these. This was so much fun. This manicure made my day. Like, big time made my day. Okay, one more. One more for that little pinky nail. And I'm not saying you have to use, you're not going to waste any of the stickers that are different sizes. You can still use them. It's just they're not going to, you know, be side to side or whatever. If you're like me, you're going to try to use up everything, make it work. Try to use up even the smaller sizes or the bigger sizes, even if it means trimming them a little bit. You're all good. Oh, I love this. Fun. All right. So I'm going to add on some cuticle oil because I've been playing with all the things, and my nails and the skin around my nails needs some nourishment. That, and I want to get good swatch photos to share. Give it a quick rub. And I really had a blast. Just a total blast with these. Try to remember to leave all the links down below for all the ladies and all the stuff. Here we go, swatch photos. Here's one angle, and then the tried and true pose, and one more. So that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.